Okay, this is just a real quick short video to show you what's going on. I've got the spark plug out of the engine right now, and the engine turns over just fine. Okay, which is all great, fine and dandy, but I'm going to put the spark plug back in it here real quick and then show you what it's doing. Okay, I've got the spark plug back in the thing. It's got gas. It's got plenty of oil in the crank, or in the crankcase, so there's no problems there. I have readjusted the valves to 4/1000ths like it's supposed to be according to the spec sheet. Let me go ahead and pull the clutch. I'll show you what it's doing. That's it. It won't do anything more beyond that. I can turn it manually and it'll do another full rotation, but it won't go beyond that. So I don't know what the deal is with it. I don't know why it's acting like this. I used it all last summer. It ran great, didn't have any problems with it. Right around September, October is when it started messing up real bad. I don't know. I'm at a loss now. I'm hoping it's not something crazy serious. I mean, but with me working full time, I just don't have time to mess with this thing anymore. So I'll probably end up having to take it to a shop and have them redo it, or find out what's wrong with it. I don't know much. I just don't know. I'm at a loss. I've never had an engine do this to me before. A lot of times, you know, you take and readjust your valves and you can take and get that back where it's supposed to be, but I don't think that's the case this time. Like I said, I readjusted the valves and I set them back to 4/1000ths, so I'm at a loss. So if anybody knows what could possibly be causing this, let me know. I'd appreciate any comments or anything.